Hi again and welcome to 62 Elizabeth Street, Riccarton, where we've got a number of projects going on right now. Another small complex with 7 1 and 2 bedroom townhouses. The ones start from $470 and they go up to $599 for the 2 bedrooms. So under $500 for the ones, under $600 for the twos. This is in a location with 515 as the median across the board. Riccarton's very strong from a tenant point of view because you've got students, you've got professionals, you've got retirees, and you've got single people living close to the CBD. You're only a stone's throw away from Hagley Park. You're only a short drive to the airport, and you're a short drive or bike to the CBD of Christchurch. So in a city that's had flatline capital growth, all of these locations that we are promoting property in are expected to grow, and depending whether you're looking for cash flow or growth or that balance in between will dictate whether or not these are the right sort of properties for you. They are pre-tax positive, and they're in a really solid location in Riccarton. So check out the rest of the deal and talk to one of our team to see if they meet your purchase criteria. Thank you.